that is celebrated in Hindu religion. People celebrate Dasera all over the world with great enthusiasm and love. It brings the great reasons to rejoice to all. The main events of this festival have one motto: the victory of good over evil, the darkness over the light, and the truth over evils. In other words, this festival signifies the victory of a power of good over that of power of evil. If we look at the Hindu mythology, we will find out that it says that on this day, Ma Durga removed the demon called Mahishasur from the earth. Similarly, other tradition believe that the god Rama fought against the king Ravan on this day. They celebrated its same essence throughout the country and the world. However, people from all religions witness this marvelous act of burning Ravan. It unites people from all castes and creeds that are filled with the people from all walks of life, not just the Hindu religion. Most importantly, the Dasera teaches us that good always trumps over the evil and the light will always conquer the darkness. Happy Dasera.
श्री रामचंद्र ने जो रावण से युद्ध किया था, जंग की थी, तो 9 दिन तक उन्होंने माँ दुर्गा की पूजा की। उसके बाद जब 10वां दिन आता है तो उन्होंने रावण के साथ मिलकर जो युद्ध किया और रावण का सर्वनाश किया। दशहरा में धर्म की जय जयकार होती है, सच की जय जयकार होती है।
The festival of Dussehra symbolizes the victory of good over the evil in the legend of Rama and Ravan. On this day, all Hindu community in India and all over the world are celebrating the culmination of the 10 days Dussehra festival. It may be known as in some region Vijayadashmi and in a part of the southern India. It is known as Dasara. Other regional spelling include the Dussehra and Dussehra. As this is a 10-day festival based on the lunar date with many important days, and also because it has many different names in the various regions of India. The festival traditionally represents the legend of Rama and Ravan. Ravan, the demon king, abducted the beloved princess Sita. The Lord Rama rescued the princess, providing the victorious over the powerful and evil king Ravan. On the day of Dussehra, large statues of Ravan are constructed and brought into open fields. These statues are burned and with them the evil they represent, so that the people are allowed to follow the path of virtue and goodness throughout the year. I am sending my best wishes to all Hindu communities on the auspicious occasion of the Dussehra. May you always follow the path of Dharma like Lord Rama. Happy Dussehra, stay blessed.
This event reminds us that we must continually combat evil forces, promote harmony, and always fight on a high level of dignity and discipline. The victory of good over evil is symbolized by this celebration. We are engaged in the struggle against injustice and we are confident in our success. Let us unite together to raise a powerful voice for the minorities who are being targeted by members of dominant caste for a variety of human rights violations in the region. Because of prejudiced views, these crimes, which include gang rapes and murders, frequently goes uninvestigated. Hate crimes, on the other hand, against minorities, including mob lynching and vigilante violence against Muslims, Christians, and Dalits, are increasing day by day. Minorities encounter a wide range of oppression, from job discrimination to violence, from greater vulnerability in the face of COVID to the deadliest form of genocides against humanity. So we call on governments to repeal discriminatory legislation and liberate anyone who has been imprisoned as a result of them. Protect everyone against prejudice and violence, no matter who they are. Introduce laws and policies that encourage diversity and inclusion across the board, and take steps to address the fundamental causes of prejudice, such as addressing discriminatory preconceptions and attitudes. More power and blessings to everyone who is fighting for minorities' rights.